This is lesson 8.4, areas of regular polygons. So we have a formula to calculate the area of any regular polygon. So that would technically work for squares, but you'd probably just use base times height for a square, but also regular pentagons, regular hexagons, heptagons, octagons, nonagons, decagons, all of our agon shapes where we have equal sides all the way around. We're going to take lowercase a, which in this case stands for apothem, times lowercase s, which stands for the length of the side of each side of the shape, times n, which stands for the number of sides on the shape, divided by 2. So pay attention, capital A, area, lowercase a, apothem. So if you have your regular polygon, the apothem is kind of like a radius on a circle. It's a segment that connects the center of the figure to the midpoint on one of its sides. And we'll put the little a there for the apothem. We said S was the length of the side. And remember, this is a regular figure. That means all the sides are the same. And N stands for how many sides there are. That's why this can work for a heptagon, hexagon, heptagon, nonagon, any of those shapes, because we just count up how many sides and sub that in. Now, if you think about perimeter, if I know how many sides there are times how long each side is, that's perimeter. So we can simplify this formula by saying apothem times perimeter divided by 2. Now, I like to work these formulas backwards just in case we're trying to solve for apothem instead of area, or solve for perimeter instead of area. So if you need the apothem, we do all of our inverse operations. Start with our area, divide by our side lengths, divide by our number of sides, and times 2. We can do the same thing if we needed to solve for the perimeter, given the area and the apothem. We would, oops, I want a little a there. We would put area divided by, yeah, that's fine. And if I wanted to solve for perimeter, area divided by apothem times 2. So if you needed to solve for side length or for number of sides, it would kind of be just like the same as the apothem, and I'll leave that to you to figure those out. So let's try a couple of examples with our formulas. The first one there says find the area. We're given a regular hexagon. The formula for area of a regular hexagon, for a regular polygon, is a times s times n over 2. We had that in our box up top. I know the apothem is 9. I know the side length is 12. And if I count those up, I have 6 sides. So to get my area, I'm going to take my apothem times my side length times my number of sides and divide that by 2. I have my apothem times my side length times my number of sides divided by, oops, I messed that one up, sorry. 9 times 12 times 6 divided by 2, 324 square inches. Letter B gives me an area of 98 square centimeters, and I want to find the length of the apothem. So if I need to get the apothem, I'm going to take my area divided by my side length divided by number of sides times 2. We had that formula up above. So that'll be 98 divided by 4 divided by 7 times 2. We have a apothem length of 7 centimeters. So find the appropriate formula for what you're trying to find, sub in the appropriate values, and that's all there is to it. Good luck on the exercises, and please let me know if you have any questions.